First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is a headlight, and behind the headlight this is actually the location for the turn signal bulb. What we'll do here is grab this plug and then turn it counterclockwise, then pull it outwards. There it is. That is how we take out the bulb along with the plug. Now, in order to pull out this bulb, all we have to do is just grab the bulb, push it downwards, and while holding it in that position, turn it counterclockwise, then pull it outwards. There it is. That is how the turn signal bulb is taken out. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just make sure that there are two pointers. One pointer is coming out right here, and the other pointer is coming out on the other side. Make sure that these two pointers are supposed to go into one position right here and the other position right there. We'll carefully go ahead and punch in the bulb inside, keeping in mind those two positions. Once in place, then we will press and hold the bulb downwards and then turn it clockwise. There it is. The bulb is completely in and it's also not coming out. Now it's the time to go ahead and punch in this plug back where we took it out from. There is no harness attached to it, so all you have to do is just punch in the plug inside. Make sure the plug is completely in first. Once the plug is completely in, then turn the plug clockwise to install it firm and strong. There it is, it's completely in, also not coming out. With that, we are done with the replacement of turn signal bulb for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.